Hi there! Congratulations! In this video, you will learn about 3 passive income ideas which will enable you to make $30,000 per month. And there's more good news for you. I will show you step by step how each of these methods works. And just by replicating the process, you will be making an awful lot of money. The 3 passive income ideas that I will be showing you today are affiliate marketing, print on demand, and finally, how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of business model where you get paid for promoting other people's products. There are many ways you can do affiliate marketing, but the method that I will show you today requires no upfront money to start. All you require to get started is simply your smartphone and an internet connection. Look at these Instagram pages now. This one has over 7 million followers, and as you can see, all its posts are mostly quotes on positivity and happiness. Now if you go to the top again and click on this link right here where it says Train Your Brain, you'll be taken to this page. As you can see, we're now on Amazon. And if someone purchases this positivity journal, the person will get paid a commission. Let's take a look at another Instagram page. Check this one out. This one is on entrepreneurship and finance, and it has got over 300,000 followers. And look, it's got an affiliate link too. So these people are also making money by affiliate marketing. So you can make money promoting products on Instagram too. All you'll need to do is choose a niche for your Instagram page, and then you can select the product you want to promote, and then you will have to create an Instagram account. You can create posts for your Instagram page for free on Canva. Just make sure to sign up for a free account. This is what the dashboard of your free account should look like. To create a post for Instagram, on the search bar right here, just type in Instagram post, select it, and boom! Look at this. You have so many templates to choose from. Templates which have this on them are not free. So make sure to select templates which do not have them, such as these ones. To use a template, simply click on it. Let's select this one right here. Now you can change the text to whatever you want to have on here. You could write something on happiness if you choose to do the positivity niche. You can just Google happiness quotes and then type one in here. After you're done, to download your post, you simply need to click on this share button right here, and then select download, and then download again. As you can see, your Instagram post is being downloaded. Now, where can you find products to promote? You can sign up to Amazon's affiliate marketplace, and then get products to promote completely for free. Before we move on to our next passive income idea, make sure to subscribe to the channel, so that you don't miss out on any opportunity to make money online. Number 2 now, print on demand. In this business model, you just create a design and then place it on clothes or phone cases, keychains, and so much more. When someone likes the item you designed and places an order, the print-on-demand websites handle everything for you. You don't need to take care of shipping nor inventory. You just sit back and collect cash. Look at these websites: Teespring, Redbubble, Printify. These are all examples of print-on-demand websites. Let's look at how you can start earning money from Teespring. As you can see, this is the homepage of the Teespring website. And as you can see, all these t-shirts and these items right here have been designed by people just like you and me. Under Staff Picks, if you look at this design right here, it's just a simple text. Look at how much is being sold. That's passive income. I will now show you step by step how you can create text designs for free and then upload it to Teespring to make money. First, you need to create a free account on Teespring. Click on Start Creating right here, and you'll be taken to a page like so. Now you need to fill in details such as your name or the name of the store that you would like to have, and then enter your email here, as well as a password right here. Here you have to confirm the password again, then check this box to confirm that you're not a robot. Finally, click on this sign up button right here, and a free account will be created for you. As you can see, this is what the dashboard of your account should look like. Now, how do you create a design on Teespring? To create a design on Teespring, just click on this Create Product button right here. As you can see, there are so many products that you can choose from. Let's scroll back up to the bestsellers category. Let's create a t-shirt for this video. You can then use the same process to create any design that you want. So click on Create right here, and you'll be taken to a page like so. As you can see, you now have a basic t-shirt that you can use for designing. As mentioned earlier, we're just going to be doing simple text designs. Now it's time for a secret tip to enable you to make the most money. To know which designs sell well, just go to Etsy.com. On the search bar, just start to type in t-shirt and hit enter. As you can see, so many t-shirt designs will come up. Now all you need to do is look at the designs until you find one that has more than 4 stars and is selling really well. Look at this simple t-shirt design. It has 5 stars and more than 10,000 reviews. This is a good design to produce. Repeat this process each time you want to create a product so that you create products that are selling well. Now, how do you create the text design? Just click on Add Text, and this box will appear where you can type in any text that you want. For this video, let's just type in food. Now we need to adjust the size a little until it looks good on the t-shirt. To enlarge it, just click on the text, then select and drag this button right here to enlarge the design. As you can see, it says the print quality is great. Make sure it says this for all the designs that you create. Let's also select this rotate button right here and make the design upside down to spice it up a bit. So, this is a simple text-based design that we made. Now click on Preview to see how the t-shirt will look once it's printed. Now look here, where it says Choose Product Colors, click on this plus sign right here. As you can see, you now have the option to choose so many colors for your t-shirt. The red one looks good, and this yellow shade looks great as well. Let's select these 2 colors as well. This means this t-shirt will be available to buy in all these 3 colors here. Click on Done. Now you need to set a price for the t-shirt. As you can see right now, the price is $26.99. You will only get the amount in green. That's the profit which remains after the item is created and shipped. Now click on Continue. A page like so will come up. Now, as you can see, you can choose to add your text design to these other items here. And this is what they would look like. For this video, let's simply click on Continue. Now all you need to do is fill in these details and you'll be ready to make some bucks. For the title, let's just type in Classic Food Design T-shirt. Under the description, let's type in something cool for our potential buyers. Let's type in Simple and Cool T-shirt for food lovers. The perfect gift for any occasion. Feel free to add whatever you want in the description. For the URL, just type in Classic Food T-shirt. And now, make sure that the visibility is public. And finally, you can click on Publish Listing, and boom! Get ready to make money! Now our final passive income idea is how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. And that too, completely for free. Click on this video on the screen to know how you can make $10,000 per month absolutely for free with this method.